Hello, my YouTube friend. We have a fun haul video today. I have a couple commercial boxes, a little teeny store trade, a couple mystery boxes, and I just think a whole ton of fun. Okay, so let's start digging into the boxes. All right, first we have a Walgreens order. I've been kind of avoiding buying new Pops right now. It's just so frustrating. I'm actually really frustrated with the New York Comic Con. I didn't win the lottery, so there's gonna be like 0 chances for me to get any Pops unless I want to overpay. I don't want to overpay. Maybe I'll get some shared ones. I don't know. It's so frustrating. I want to make content, but I like to do content where I do hauls. I don't want to just show pictures of what I'm not going to be able to get. That'd be ridiculous. Okay, but I did see Walgreens put up their Halloween Pops, and I was super excited because those are some of my favorite Pops each year. So hopefully these arrived okay. I'll let you guys kind of look first. Okay. Oh, invoice. I think it's 4 Pops. Alright, I think we're okay. Doesn't feel funny. Okay, let's see what we got. Ha! Okay. Alright, let's see what we got. Okay, we have the Vampire Jack Glows in the Dark. He is really cool. It's got a little bit of a dent on the side, but overall it looks like it arrived in pretty good shape. I'm always afraid when I order stuff that's going to arrive damaged, so I'm actually happy with that. Okay, we have the Minion. It's the Dave Acula, or the Dracula Minion. He looks really cool. Actually really happy to get that one. I love the Halloween Pops. They're usually my favorites of the year. Okay, and then we have the Black and White Invisible Man. Really happy to get that one. I've always wanted the... I really loved the one that came out last year with the Chase. I just recently got the Chase, so it's going to come up in a video that I haven't done yet. It took me a year or two to get it, but really happy to get that one. Okay, and then finally... okay, we have Frankenstein Glows in the Dark holding the flower. This is a reissue. I think I actually have this one already. Now that I look at it, I'm like, wait a second. Did the last year's one glow in the dark, or did they just reissue the same exact Pop? I'm going to have to double check that. Okay, very cool. Very happy with that box. Okay, let's see what we got here. We got a box. This came from John in Illinois. It's sent to Pop Fun to play, so I'm not sure what it is. I don't know if it's... I think he sent me a bootleg that he accidentally bought. But let's open it up and find out. Okay, it's well packaged. He sent the sorter within the box. Looks like he had a note. Let me read the note before I actually look at the Pop. Hello, here's the Yennefer Pop. Oh yeah, it's the Yennefer Pop. Okay, that's what I thought it was. I wasn't 100% sure, but definitely. Okay, so hello, here's the Yennefer Pop that I discovered too late that was fake. Like I stated to you earlier, I bought it and didn't really inspect it very well. It was in a protector and I never took it out. I later noticed the game's missing and went in for an actual inspection. I do, when you buy a Pop, especially one that's expensive, like $100 or more, you don't really have to worry about damage, or you can handle your Pops, just be gentle and you'll be fine. You just want to know that when you get them, you want to make sure that they're okay, that there's no problem, because sometimes you can't see damage or you can't tell that they're a fake in the protector. So it says, I later noticed the game's missing and went in for an actual inspection. Please use it for one of your bootleg information videos. These are the things I noticed after the fact. No games in the Pop bubble. Manufacturing date looks wrong. Paint drips on her belt. Doesn't fit in the package quite right. She will fall out and shift. No Funko logo on the back panel. And now after watching some of your videos, the cardboard does seem less rigid than normal ones. That's a very, very common with the bootlegs. That's the first thing I always notice, is just how kind of like flimsy it feels. I'm also wondering if the clear plastic panel is not done well either. And then he says, I'm a subscriber and I bought a few Pops from you on Mercari. Oliver Queen, Scared Island, and Stranger Things Max in her Halloween mask. I like to buy from you because at least I know it's a trusted seller. I feel very conscious selling Pops. I want to make sure that I describe them right. If they have damage, if they're a fake, I'm just not going to sell them because it's not right. It's not right to sell a fake. I have a pretty extensive collection, but I do believe this is the first fake I've run across. The deal was good, but not totally unbelievable. Plus, the seller was 5-star rated. That sucks. You're buying on Mercari, someone has 5 stars, and you get a fake. That's the worst. That's the thing with Mercari. When you get a Pop, you gotta inspect it right away. They're really good at letting you return something if you get it and you don't like it. But once you leave the feedback, or it's like 3 or 4 days after it's delivered, then the window closes. It's just one of those things, I guess, I'll use it as a learning experience and move on. Take care and please keep up the videos. The Funko Lot videos are really interesting to watch and pretty fun to have an opportunity to buy one from the collection. Best regards, John. All right, thank you, John. I really appreciate it. I think everyone else also appreciates it because the more everyone knows about fakes, the easier it is to spot them. So let's take a look. All right. The bottom, it has the date is printed on it. And it looks different. Usually when it's printed, it's like indented. So the date on the bottom does look kind of funny. So I noticed that. That's what he said was on there. Okay, and I do see she's like popping out of the thing. The box is kind of flimsy and beat up. But I think it's just a flim. But the thing that you really notice is where it says pop. And the real one, I believe it says movies or games. No, I think it's games actually. So it says pop. It'll have games underneath. Honestly, if you weren't really looking for that, I mean, this could fool you. Oh yeah, when you open it up, you kind of feel it's slightly flimsy. Good look at the pop herself. Let's see. Yeah, there's no date stamp on the bottom of her. Usually you'll see it's either on the feet or like on the neck. I don't see that, but other than that, she looks pretty decent actually. Her head feels a little bit slightly squishy. So I think, and she's a little bit more rubbery than I would normally figure. Like, just like the way she feels slightly more rubbery. But visually, she looks pretty decent. So yeah, that would be, you could be fooled, especially if you were buying like out of the box. I think you would be really fooled with this one. That's a shame. I really hate that people sell bootlegs. If you sell bootlegs, you're kind of a scumbag. Or if you're going to sell them for $10. He probably ended up paying, $80, $100. I don't know what he paid for it, but I'm sure it was listed as kind of damaged. So he probably got for a good price, but not like $10 good price. Probably like $60. All right, thanks for sending that to me, John. I really appreciate it. I will feature her many times. I will post pictures and I'll do all kinds of things just to let people know that there's a fake out there. You're actually the second or third person who told me that they got this pop. And I actually noticed her price drop like a month ago. So I think the bootlegs came out within the last month or two. So look out for her. I do really like adding bootlegs to my collection just to have more reference. It's really nice to have them on hand to feel them and get familiar with them. And I just like sharing with you guys. So it's one more thing to kind of look out for and be aware of. Okay, what do we have? Let's see what else we're going to go. Okay, this was a Mercari order. I had a little bit of Mercari credit, so I made kind of a bigger purchase. This was a pop I missed last year's New York Comic Con. Again, every year I kind of hate it because it's so hard to get the freaking pops, and I didn't want to pay $200 for it, but I had Mercari credit, so I guess in some sense I got it for free. So cool. It's a Samurai Jack set. This was the #1 want from last year. So, well, maybe #2. I think the Killer Clown was actually my #1 want, but this was my #2 want. I was really bummed out that I didn't get it last year, so I'm thrilled to finally have it. The price came down a little bit. I had credit, so it was like a perfect timing. The seller had it in this really cool, like, blood splattered protector. I'll take it out just so we can look at it a little bit better. Yeah, I love this set. I think it's so cool. So I'm patient. I honestly, if you miss out this year at New York Comic Con and you don't get a pop that you want, don't buy it. Just wait. Wait till you get a deal. Wait till you have a way to get it for cheaper. Just don't buy it right away because prices take a little while to stabilize. A lot of times they'll shoot up really high and then they'll slowly come down until you kind of figure out what the price is. And if you buy pops as soon as they come out for giant rated prices, all you're doing is you're fueling the people with bots and the flippers, and you make it so that they continue the behavior that makes it harder for you to get the pops you want. So I'm super thrilled to have that though. I'm really agitated at this year's New York Comic Con, but I'm super thrilled to have this one. I'm still looking. There's still probably like 5 to 10 more pops I need from last year's con, but thrilled to have that one. Okay, what do we have now? Okay, we have this mystery box. It comes from, who does it come from? Caroline in Australia. Oh, okay. It's to pop fun to play, so it's like a mystery box. I don't know what's in this box. There was a Caroline from Australia that sent me actually this pop last year. I wonder if this is her again. Is this you again, Caroline? Okay. I'm actually kind of curious what's in here. I wonder if it's another error or just something interesting. Okay, I'm actually very curious now. What is this going to be? What is it going to be? Okay, It's a pop culture box inside. Or tape at least. Oh, there's a letter. Let's read the letter. Good day, Sean. Caroline from Australia here. You might remember me. I sent you a John Wick print error last year. Yeah, I got it right here. I do remember. Well, guess what? I found another offset print error for you. Oh, yeah. All right. Thanks for the uploads. Keep them coming. Take care and stay safe, Caroline. P.S. Some chocolate caramello koalas for you and the cool kid. Oh, okay. So she gave me some treats. I like treats. All right. Let's see what we got. Oh, treats. Gotta take out the packaging. Oh, there we go. The tape to the side here. These look like they're gonna be tasty. All right, so the cool kid and I will definitely share those later. All right, I'm really excited for this because I've been playing with, as you saw the video a few days ago where I did the comparison of all my rare variants and whatnot. I just been in the mood for more variants. Oh, with the Slimer. I love Slimer. Okay, I'm a Slimer fan. Oh, that is neat. It is very offset and it's pushed up so the image gets all messed up. I almost like it better when it's pushed up and you can see there. And wow, that's cool. And it's an old one. It's 2014. So you might, did you find this on their website maybe? Like on, I don't know if there's like Australian eBay or something. That is neat. I love this pop. That is so cool. Thank you, Caroline. You made my day. This is amazing. This is the kind of stuff that I love it. It just makes me so happy to get. Awesome. Awesome. Haha. All right, cool. Wow, I was not expecting that. That was amazing. All right, let's see what we got. Okay, so I got this sort of mystery box. It comes from Bob in Florida. He contacted me. He said he had a really nice Grail. I kind of said, you know, I'm not sure if I want to buy through the mail at the moment, but he said that he would send it to me first, let me inspect it, and based on the condition and whatnot, I'm going to figure out what the price or value of the pop is, and I'm going to give him 50% of that value, which will, if there's no damage, it'll be a full pop price guide price. If it's a little bit damaged, I'll adjust it a little bit. So it's going to be 50% of that value plus another 5% to cover the shipping cost. So I'm really excited to open this up. I don't know what it is. He just said it was a pop worth probably like $600. He just said he wanted to do like a mystery box for me, but like a really expensive one. So we're going to see. We'll see what it is. I'm a little bit nervous that it's just nothing, or it could be something I really need for my collection. So, woo! This is like a thrill ride today. All right, it's packaged very well. The pop in a protector with some protection. Okay, moment of truth. Oh, is there just more protection? Oh, okay, and then there's an actual fig pin. So it's a double. Oh, all right, that's cool. It's like a My Hero pin. Oh yeah, very nice. So this will probably be the same deal. I'm going to give him half the value for that. Very nice. I'm slowly starting to collect fig pins just as people trade them in and whatnot. And I love My Hero Academia, so I'm actually really happy to get that. Okay, cool. Okay, I'm nervous. Oh.
I've been here for like a minute.
Have you? Okay.
Yeah. I just want to see behind the scenes.
Okay, just shh, be quiet. Okay. All right, I'm nervous. Here it comes. Oh, someone sent us, the cool kid visiting for a second. He's behind the scenes. Someone sent us some chocolate candy to eat.
Wait.
All the way from Australia.
Really?
Yeah, you excited for that?
I'm definitely eating that soon.
Yeah, we're going to eat it after I do the video. Okay, I'm going to reveal this. You want to look at it first?
Oh, okay.
Don't tell me what it is. I'm going to let you guys and the cool kids see it first. Is it upside down?
Yes.
Okay. Does it look cool?
It's fine.
It's fine. Okay, it's supposed to be a Grail. Let's see. Oh, wow. Okay, this is a cool pop. Wow. Okay, so limited to 1,500 pieces. We have the glow-in-the-dark Loch Ness Monster. I don't have that one. I just have the common one. He did say it was a little bit dented on the back, and I think the sticker looks slightly damaged.
But that won't be okay.
Yeah, he'll be okay. I'm definitely excited to add that to my collection. So I'm going to have to look him up. This kind of damage probably impacts the price maybe like 10%. I'll adjust it a little bit for that, but that is amazing. Okay, very cool. Happy to add that to my collection. All right, bye, cool kid.
I'm staying here.
All right.
Yes, I want to stay in here and see all the amazing grails.
Okay, all right. Let's see what we got next. Okay, I think this is a Mercari order. We're gonna see what it is. I forgot to rate the person, so I actually already rated them, so hopefully there's no problems with it. Otherwise, I don't know what I'm gonna do. All right, let's see. Okay, it looks like it's in good shape. All right, this is cool. This is on my want list. Oh, very nice. It's a little bit dirty, but I should be able to clean that up. It's a Garrus from Mass Effect. Very cool. 2015. It looks to be in pretty decent shape. Very awesome pop. I just need the grunt now to complete that set, and then I'll have all of them. Okay, very neat. The cool kid's been really into pops lately, so he kind of wants to join and do some videos. Maybe I'll do some videos with the cool kid soon.
And maybe I'll show you pops that my dad doesn't have.
Yeah,
I have.
Yeah, the cool kid has some pops now from Walgreens that I don't have yet. Okay, what is this? This is a who's this from? This is a GameStop pack. Oh, I know what this was. It was a pop that I was about to order on Mercari with some Mercari credit, and it was like 40 bucks. But then I saw on GameStop that it was still available for like 20, so I just ordered. Or maybe 20. It was 25 on GameStop, and then I had to order another pop that was a little bit overpriced, but I wanted the free shipping.
I know this one. I know it.
You know? How do you know what pop this is?
I remember you ordering it.
What pop do you think it is?
I don't want to spoil it.
Okay. Okay, here we go. All right, let's pull it out. All right, this is really cool. We have the Drizzdurden and Gohemwither. I don't know how the heck you say that. It's from Dungeons & Dragons, a GameStop only pop. Very cool. I really wanted this one. I thought it looked really amazing. And then the other pop is in a protector, but it's like busted open. All right, we'll see if it's in good shape. This one, they overpriced. It's like $18 retail. So it's the Moomin Rider from One Punch Man. I really wanted that one as well. But the price, $18 is too much. They price it like a ride, but it's not a ride. It's just a single pop. It's kind of silly. Okay. I think that's all the boxes. Okay, so, and then the last batch of stuff I got is stuff from Lisa and Tito. They traded in over the weekend. She's been buying a lot of like mystery minis and stuff. So she had some mystery minis, some toilet ninjas, and it's just all the common ones, so nothing too special. But I'll do a little montage at the end here just so you can see all the different little things she traded in. She traded in a Huckleberry Hound Chase Pez, a Nate Archibald from Gossip Girl. I actually don't have that one yet, so that's going into my collection. And a Vampire Jack. Oh wait, is that the one I just got? No, the one I just got was glow in the dark, so I think this is just a common version, which I don't have yet. And then finally we have a Peter Pan no, it's not a mystery mini, it's just a mini, but it's like a little mystery mini type figure. Very cute. I love that. Very cool. That's going in my collection too. Let's look at all the mystery minis and toilet ninjas. That was a ton of fun. Definitely some really awesome mystery pops. Some other really awesome items. I'm really happy to get everything, and I had a lot of fun. I'm going to put a couple other mega epic Funko Pop hauls right there. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!